Inkfluence AI turns a single prompt into a full ebook, cover, formatting, and export files included. I read the product pages, checked the pricing, and went through all 17 of its AppSumo reviews, so you know exactly what you'd be buying. If you're an affiliate or info product marketer, you already know a good lead magnet or a sellable guide can build your list or your income. The hard part has always been turning that idea into an actual finished, formatted book instead of another half-written doc. The pitch. Describe what you want to create, and it writes a fully structured book across 33 types, fiction to workbooks to guides, then exports it as a PDF, EPUB, or DocX, ready for Kindle, Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. It doesn't stop at the manuscript. There's a built-in cover designer, and every plan is advertised with an audiobook studio, turning any chapter into narrated audio with a choice of AI voices, publishable straight to Audible, Spotify, or Apple Books. On its own site, it shows 3 ways people actually use it: a free PDF as a lead magnet for email subscribers, a paid guide sold directly, or an EPUB listed for royalties on Kindle. That maps directly onto how a lot of marketers already try to grow a list or an income stream. One thing worth noticing, its homepage claims 30,000 plus writers up top, but further down the same page, it says 500 plus active creators. Those aren't the same number, and it's worth keeping in mind when you read either stat. Pricing has 2 paths. Direct from Inkfluence, free to start, $9.99 a month for creator, or $19.99 for premium. On AppSumo, it's a one-time lifetime license from $49 up to $299. But read the fine print. The 2 cheaper AppSumo tiers include 0 audiobook chapters and 0 AI voices. Only the top $299 tier actually includes the audiobook studio the homepage advertises as included in every plan. What's genuinely good here? 17 public reviews, not just one, averaging 4.1 out of 5. A founder who personally answers nearly every review, sometimes shipping a requested feature within days. And real use cases, lead magnets, course bonuses, and client deliverables, not just demo screenshots. What gives me pause? More than one reviewer says, treat this as a first draft engine, not a finished book generator. Plan on a real editorial pass before you publish anything. The audiobook voices are still described as needing refinement, and the cheapest AppSumo tiers strip out the audiobook feature entirely. One of the most detailed reviews from a buyer who's purchased over 600 AppSumo deals put it well. He gives it 4.5 out of 5 and says the output still needs a heavy human editorial pass before publishing, but that it delivers exactly the structured head start an AI book tool should. The founder, Sam May, replies personally to nearly every review, and when one reviewer asked for Japanese audiobook voices and B5 paper size support, he shipped both within days and said so directly in his reply. Where that leaves the overall score, 4.1 out of 5 tacos across 17 reviews, with 10 5-taco ratings, but also 2 at just 1 taco. That's a real mixed track record, not a single cherry-picked review. My verdict? Inkfluence AI is a real, actively maintained tool with a founder who clearly listens, and it's genuinely useful for turning a rough idea into a structured lead magnet or guide fast. Just go in treating it as a first draft machine, budget time to edit, and read the AppSumo tier details closely before you assume audiobook access is included. If you're building lead magnets, course bonuses, or a sellable guide as an affiliate or info product marketer, this is squarely built for exactly that workflow, not just for novelists. If you're interested in making money online with AI, make sure that you check out the link in my description